To know more about himself. You might be making people to tremble. When you pass, people say, hey, the other person is passing. When others can clap, while others are hiding themselves. How many people, when you pass in the community, they say, they make the tongue mountain. Then Jesus said, the other one, they called me like that. And how do you call me? You wanted to hear. The one he has, do they have peace since they are with him? Amen. You might be having even people who don't even know you. You always say, I'm not understandable. You take peace from people when they are with you. There are a lot of funds. You take people's airtime. You slander, spread slander. Don't talk, he's here with us. If that person hears that, it must pray. They say what they talk in Uganda. If you tell it this one, is it in Yakoli? Why? Say so who are you? Clap for yourself if you have a nice name. Yes, Peter said, you are a son of God. Where we had names, but after receiving Jesus Christ, every day Jesus keeps on transforming us. He transforms every other day, and he gives a new name to us. What we call it ghost, then you are called a child of God. You are called a transformed person. If the other talks about the way you used to know, so I know it's no longer the other person. It's nowadays born again. Oh, what is there? If that person is a born again, okay. If really is a born again, I'm also born again. Give Jesus a man of praise. We thank God for today that he has been good. I ask God to give me a new name, that people may understand me in a good way. Even when they ask about me, my name is good. Amen. We thank God for that. That is there to transform us every day. There is someone who come after I had introduced the visitors. I would allow you to come at least to greet us before we enter into time of prayer. To come and greet us, tell us your name. It will make us ready. Because for me, I arrived late. I might have arrived late maybe. But if you are there, God bless you. Amen. I'm called Prescodia Counselor. Sometimes I called Mama Nyanonga. Sometimes I'm called Mama Namazi. And sometimes I'm called Mama Saji. It's my first time to be here. I'm born again. I thank God because he sent me, and he have fought various battles. I give him glory of honor. Come for me. Let me request you to be the last. Amen. I'm calling about Sister Mary. I'm born again. I've been saved by my pastor from Prayer Parish. And come to visit my sister at Kasozi. Amen. I'm called Kwagala Sara. I'm a born again lady.